Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with the fourth chapter of geography, weather and climate. What is weather and what is climate? Chapter number 4, weather and climate. Can you tell the weather conditions of a few places in India are as follows? On 10 June, use a table to answer the questions given below. Serial number 1. Place, state, time, weather. Kochi, state, that is Kerala, time that is 12:30 p.m. Weather, it is cloudy. Second place is Bhopal, state is MP, time is 12:30 p.m. hot and sunny. Third place is Mansoori, state is Uttarakhand, 12:30 p.m. cold weather and mild sun. Here some questions are given to you. In which place will the clothes on a clothesline dry quickly and why? Now it is telling that in which place will the clothes dry quickly and why will it dry quickly? In which place will they dry slowly and why? In which place they are going to dry very slowly and why is it? Will the atmospheric conditions at these places always remain the same or will they change? Now will the conditions, that is atmospheric conditions, at these places remain the same or they will change? Just we see over here the explanation. Now see the boys warming themselves over here, how they are warming themselves with a fire put on. Explanation. The weather conditions at each of the places given above are different on 10th June. Naturally the conditions of the weather are different everywhere on all those three places. Kochi has a cloudy weather. It means there is a little sunlight. The rainy season has started and moisture in the air will be high. Hence it will take a long time for the clothes to dry. So what is said over here? Kochi is having a cloudy weather and there is very less sunlight due to the rainy season has started and the moisture in the air is high. So it will take a long time for the clothes to dry. You have observed a similar situation at your place during the rainy season. Now during the rainy season, even at your place, the clothes does not dry quickly. At Bhopal, there is hot sun. The water in the wet clothes gets converted into vapor quickly and the clothes will dry within a short time. At Bhopal, there is a lot of sun and the water in the wet clothes get converted into vapor very fast and so the clothes will dry within a very short time. Mussoorie is located to the north of the Tropic of Cancer. Mussoorie is to the north on the top, that is Tropic of Cancer. Hence it receives less solar heat. There is very less heat. The air there is cooled too due to its location on a mountain. The air over there is very cool due to the location on a mountain. Clothes take longer to dry here because of the medium heat and cool air. Your clothes are taking a longer time to dry because of the medium heat, not less, not more, and the cool air. Factors like heat, moisture and wind influence the time taken by the clothes to dry. The factors which are taking like the heat, moisture and the wind, okay, the time taken by the clothes to dry. However, these conditions keep on changing. So we always experience such changes. Can you tell over here which of the following statements are applicable to the conditions that you have experienced today or yesterday at the place where you live? Now, today, that is on Sunday, it was the lunar eclipse what we have seen. It was everywhere in the whole world, I think so it was seen. So even you must have seen over there on the top, not with the naked eye but with some, you can say X-ray films or with your goggles or something. Now just see here, it was cold in the morning, in the afternoon it became sultry. It rained suddenly in the afternoon. Cool breeze was blowing at dawn. Clouds gathered in the evening. The night sky was full of stars and a pleasant breeze was blowing. Now it was cold in the morning. After it was not too hot, not too cold, it was sultry. It suddenly rained in the afternoon. Cool breeze was blowing at dawn, that is when the sun sets, and clouds gathered in the evening. The night was sky as full of stars and a pleasant breeze was blowing. What is weather? We all always experience atmospheric pressure or conditions prevailing at a place at a given time. We all have experienced some atmospheric conditions at a given place or a given time. We often talk about it, but these conditions are short-lived. We often talk about the weathers, but these are for short time. This is what we call as a weather. For example, we say the weather is too hot, too cold, dry, sultry, etc. Since childhood, you have experienced summers, rainy seasons, and winters. On the basis of your experience, answer the following questions. In which months do summers, the rainy season, and the winter occur in a year from January to December? Show it in a chart. Which special clothes do we use if it is raining? When do we use woolen clothes? In which season do we mainly use the thin cotton clothes? So these are the questions which you have observed till now, that which clothes do we use in the summer season or in the rainy season or from January to December, which months it is raining, and all that you have to write it. What is climate? You must have noticed that each season lasts for a particular period and each season occurs at a particular time of the year. Now you have noticed that each season lasts for a particular period, that is for 4 months, and they occur at a particular time of the year. The scientists observe the weather in a region for many years. The scientists study for the weather in the region for many years. They have to study it. They have to observe it. With the help of such studies, they define the mean weather conditions. With all this, with the studies, they define the meaning of weather or the conditions of the weather. The average weather condition of a place observed over a long period of time is the climate. What is climate over here? The average weather condition of a place observed over a long period. The weather condition which is observed for a long period of time is called as the climate of that region. Climate is generally expressed as a cool and dry, or hot and humid, or hot and dry, etc. Climate is generally expressed how? Cool and dry, hot and humid, or hot and dry. The weather changes quite often due to changes in temperature. Weather is often changing due to the temperature, winds and humidity, etc. Even the winds as well as the humidity, that means too hot. We always experience these changes. We all experience all these changes, that is windy season, rainy season, summer season, the temperature which is falling. A sum total of all these elements define weather. The sum total of all these elements is telling about weather. What is the weather? These effects are day-to-day activities and lifestyle. These effects are day-to-day activities and the lifestyle. Elements of weather are taken into consideration while describing the climate. Now, elements of weather are taken into consideration when we describe the climate. So, tomorrow we are going to go with this elements of weather. Till that time, you read this. Okay. Bye.